back to my channel. This is Tine Eats, and today we're gonna do a homemade donuts without using any yeast, oven, and baking powder at all. This is the simplest way of doing a donut. So let's start. Of course, let's start with the ingredients. Step. Let's dissolve the powdered milk in 1 1/2 cup of water. We use 33 grams of Burr brand and mix it properly. In a large bowl, put the 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Let's add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Add pinch of salt. Then let's add the 1 medium egg, 1/2 cup of milk, the one that we dissolved, 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. Then let's mix it. You can use any mixing equipment such as whisk, scraper, or spoon, or even your bare hand as long as it's clean. Knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes. And rest it for about 20 minutes. So that was our donut recipe. I hope you like it, guys. It was so easy and convenient. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!